Hello, Firebirds. I'm Addison Hahn. I'm here with PK Hoppy, bringing you today's GP news from the library. Today is Thursday, November 21st, 2019.
Today, for lunch, we're having Thanksgiving feast. In other GP news, Mandarin announcement with Dan and Taha.
现在是中文早场播报时间。
大家好，我叫任立威，我是8年级的学生。Hello, my name is Taha. I am an 8th grade student.
我叫范丹妮，我是8年级的学生。Hello, my name is Dan. I'm an 8th grade student.
今天是2019年11月21日，星期四。Today is Thursday, November 21st, 2019.
今天天气下雨，最高气温57度，最低气温47度。Today's weather is rainy. The highest temperature is 57 degrees and the lowest temperature is 47 degrees.
我们周学习的中文词是背包。Our weekly Chinese phrase is backpack. 除了我的午餐包以外，我还有我的背包。Other than my lunchbox, I also have my backpack.
今天的中文早餐播报到此结束，谢谢大家。This is the end of today's morning announcements in Chinese. Thank you.
Remember, teachers and students, please have students bring books in Ziploc bags to the library. We need to keep them dry.
Here's the joke of the day. What always comes at the end of Thanksgiving? The letter G.
That's all we have for announcements. Have a thankful Thursday.
This is Addison Hahn and PK Hoppy signing off for GP News.